Hello learners, I'm Akash. I completed my BTech from NIT Rourkela in the year 2020. Currently, I'm a mathematics teacher. Now, let's see how to find out the sum of this infinite series 1 minus 4 by 5 plus 4 into 7, 5 into 10. So, this is there, okay. This is in a pattern. Now, what is this similar to? Okay, this is actually similar to what you can see. This is a formula, okay. I'm going to convert this series like this. Now, you might ask me how, like, from this is where I'll get idea. See, now listen. 1 is matching, listen, now next. Here there is observe this, here there is p by 1 factorial, that means 1 factorial is missing here and something in the bracket that is also missing, that is also not there. Now next see, now next try to observe here. So here I have two terms, here also I have two terms, but here there is 2 factorial, but here there is no 2 factorial in our given question. And also something into power square is not there, here also something into power cube is not there. There are 3 terms, p into p plus q into p plus, that is there, but there is no 3 factorial here. There is no 3 factorial here, and there is no power is also not there, power or something cube. So how I'm going to do it is, see, my simple way is I'm going to write 5 as 5 into 1 and 10 as 5 into 2. So 2 factorial I'll get, and 1 into 2, 5 as 5 into 1, 10 as 5 into 2, and 15 as 5 into 3. So 1 into 2 into 3 would come outside, and 5 cube would go or something like this. Okay, that's my basic explanation. I mean, like that's how I'm going to proceed. Fine, I'm gonna go a bit fast, so please stay with me, see the procedure. Fine, so I'm going to take the given sum as s. Okay, as you mentioned, I need 1 factorial in the second term, so I'm going to write it as 4. Okay, what I did is, okay, just I wrote it as it is in the first term. Now fine, uh, write this as 4 by 1 into 1 by 5. Okay, 4 by 1 into 1 by 5. Why? Because 1 factorial is nothing but 1, and this denominator, as I mentioned, write it as 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 10, 5, 15 is nothing but 5 into 3. That's how things are there. Fine. Now next, this 1 would be 1 factorial into 1 by 5. Now next, 1 into 2 bring it to the front, and 5 into 5 take it in another bracket. Here also 1 2 3 bring it to the front in the denominator, and 5 5 5 bring it like this. Okay, so fine. Now you're able to say I'm able to create that pattern. I'm able to create that pattern. Now this is nothing but 2 factorial, this is nothing but 3 factorial, and this will be 1 by 5 whole square, this will be 1 by 5 cube, 1 by 5, 1 by 5 square, 1 by 5 cube. So you see, I'm able to convert this given series into that pattern so that I can apply some formula. What is that? You'll get to know. Fine. As I mentioned, 1 by 5 whole square, 1 by 5 whole cube. So this perfectly matching with that pattern. There is minus, plus, minus. So alternate plus minus is also there, and everything else is matching. So what does this resemble? Okay, what does this resemble? The same thing I wrote it here again. This is like this one, the formula which I showed you in the beginning on the first slide. 1 minus, you see everything is matching. 1 factorial is there, 2 factorial is there, like 3 factorial, and powers are also increasing. Here there is something, here square, here cube. So everything is good. Okay, the series is exactly matching. Now if it's exactly matching, what else I can get? I need to find out x, p and q. Okay, three things, x, p and q. So if we'll compare, p would be directly 4, and p here is 4, and p plus q is 7, and x by q is 1 by 5. Okay, this is the data which I can get. P plus q is 7 and x by q is 1 by 5. Let's just find out q first. P is 4, so put it here. 4 plus q is 7, and q will be 3, and put q has 3 here, so x by 3 equal to 1 by 5, and x is 3 by 5. So all good. This series, this entire series is nothing but 1 plus x whole power minus p by q. Okay, 1 plus x whole power minus p by q. So s is nothing but 1 plus x whole power minus p by q, wherein p is 4, q is 3, and x is 3 by 5. Why? Because this entire series is exactly same. So this entire big series can be reduced to 1 plus x whole power minus p by q. So the same wise, this entire series, which is exactly like this one, can be reduced to 1 plus x whole power minus p by q, wherein x, p and q are these things which are given. Fine. So just substitute now, basic simplification. Okay, x is 3 by 5, and p is 4 and q is 3. Take LCM, 5 plus 3 by 5, and 8 by 5. Now anything power minus is, you can just reciprocate it, and this would be 5 by 8 whole power 4 by 3, like a by b whole power minus m is b by a whole power m. And next, what you can do is split the power to both, 5 power 4 by 3 by 8 power 4 by 3. And next, you can write this as 5 power 4 whole power 1 by 3, and 8 can be simplified. Okay, 8 you can write it as 2 cube. Now if you write it as 2 cube, what exactly will happen is this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. What is 2 power 4? 16. I'll get 16 in the denominator, and here I have 5 power 4 is 625. 625 power 1 by 3 by 2 power 4. As I mentioned, 3 cancel, 2 power 4 at 16. Now 625 power 1 by 3, I can write it as cube root of 625 divided by 16. That's it. This is, so thank you very much for staying with me. Not just this question, many questions related to binomial theorem have been covered by me. You can check out the link in the description. You will find out many other things, not just that, theory of equations and complex numbers, and a little bit of circles as well. So you can find out different links in the playlist, if I mean in the description. If not, you can just browse my channel, so you will find many other things. So fine, thank you very much for taking out your time and watching this video till here. I hope it was useful to you. In case you have any doubts, please do comment in the comments box. I would love to help you there. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. It will encourage me to make many more of such videos. And if this is your first time coming across to my channel, please do subscribe it. Thank you.